How to change the Yahoo password. So here is a step-by-step tutorial on how to change your Yahoo Mail password, whether for security or personal preferences. First of all, open your preferred web browser and navigate to the yahoo.com and sign into your Yahoo account if you are not already logged in. Then simply tap on your profile picture or initial of yours at the top right corner of your screen and a drop-down menu will appear. Then from the drop-down menu, you can see Manage Your Account option available there. Simply tap on it and navigate to your account information. Now, once inside the account information at the General tab, scroll down and there you'll get to see Change Password option available. Tap on it. Now, all you have to do is enter your new password. Make it strong, use letters, numbers, and symbols. Then simply click on Continue or Save option available there. Then your Yahoo password will be updated. So you may be signed out of other devices, then log in again with your new passwords. So if you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.